In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create cartoon avatar videos OpenArt. By the end, you'll know exactly how to go from a simple idea to a polished animated cartoon avatar using OpenArt's built-in tools. First, open your browser and head to the OpenArt homepage. This is where all of the creative suites live, and it's the best jumping off point for video. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and click on Video. That opens the dedicated video workspace, which keeps everything you need, models, prompts, and settings, right in front of you so you're not digging through menus. Before we generate anything, take a moment to set start and end frame. Think of these as the in and out points of your animation. They define where the movement begins and where it wraps up. If you want a quick, punchy loop, keep the range tight. If you're aiming for a fuller, more expressive motion, let it span a wider section. Choosing thoughtful start and end frames helps your avatar feel intentional and smooth rather than jittery or abrupt. Next, select text with reference. We're using this mode because it gives you a clear, prompt-driven workflow. It focuses the system on the description you provide and can align with a reference if you're using one, while still keeping the process simple and predictable for a first pass. Now it's time to choose a model. Different models lean into different styles and motion dynamics. If you're new or unsure, pick the recommended option in the list. It's optimized to deliver balanced quality and speed, which is perfect for a cartoon avatar test run. You can always return and try an alternative model later to nudge the style in a new direction. In the description box, type a clear prompt. For example, friendly cartoon avatar of young male content creator, simple clean design, bright colors, smiling expression, 3D cartoon style. Keep it concise but specific. Focus on personality, color, and style cues. Then choose your sound effect if you want a little audio flair. Select the mode that matches your quality or speed preference, and set your output, like aspect ratio and resolution, to fit where you plan to share the video. When everything looks good, click Generate. You'll see the system process your request. Generation time can vary based on settings and complexity, so give it a moment. Once it's done, your animated cartoon avatar will appear in the workspace, ready to review. If you want a different vibe, revisit the model, refine your description, or adjust the start and end frames, then generate again. That's it. Clean, simple, and ready for your next creative project.